All right, so for my senior project, I did a dodgeball tournament, and my essential question was, what are the steps to hosting a dodgeball tournament, and how do I donate the proceeds? My outline of my presentation, I'm going to be talking about my mentor, the goals of my project, the timeline, the event itself, the senior project day, and any questions at the end that you guys have. So for my mentors, one of them was Koff, and then sometimes whenever I couldn't go to him, Mr. Bigelow was also one of my mentors. They're both my current teachers. Both have helped me with a project like this before because I've had Koff in the past. They're very helpful, and they wanted my project to be successful just as much as I did, or even more. This is the Millis High School vision of a graduate. Character, collaboration, communication, and critical thinking. For character, I donated my money to a charity. For collaboration, I worked with students and teams, like dodgeball teams, and they worked together. Communication, I emailed probably like so many people over this, just like reserving the gym and all that. Critical thinking, I had to figure out many problems and just problem solve. Why I chose this project. It sounded interesting. I participated in something similar before, and I knew other people would think it was fun. And yeah, this is a picture of my flyer. It's kind of hard to see. It's a little blurry up here. What did I hope to accomplish? I wanted to have fun and have a competitive event, not just fun. I wanted to donate money and hit deadlines. So this is some of the transactions here. Timeline I wanted to follow. I wanted to, for the fall, reserve the space, the gym. I just had to email, I think it was Miss Bedard and someone else to reserve the gym. For the winter, I wanted to research and advertise. And for the spring, I wanted to actually hold the event and donate. There's a screenshot of me reserving the gym. A little bit of the history of dodgeball. Started off with just regular tribe people. I don't know the exact tribe, but 200 years ago, it evolved to parts of Europe. The game took pieces of Vicious Origins and turned them into a team game before they would actually kill each other over it. How to host a dodgeball tournament. Some of the steps are: 1, pick a venue; 2, determine the rules; 3, recruit tournament staff; 4, host the event; and 5, crown the winner. The venue was our gym, Millis High School. Date in between sports seasons, so the gym would be more likely to be open. And advertise announcements, like the school announcements in the morning, and I hung up flyers. Social aspect of dodgeball. Mostly you need a team, so it's a lot of teamwork. Physical education leads to better mental health and develops better cardio health. Reserving the space. This is another one of the requests. I chose March 19th for the event, and it was in between winter and spring seasons, and I reserved the gym in December too. I think that was just one of the March 19th was actual day, and then one of the makeup days was March 18th. This is one of the registrations created that anyone playing would have to fill out. I created a Google form or sign-ups, and I had a QR code on my flyer for it. So on the actual flyer, there's a QR code you can scan. And I was able to track sign-ups this way. my flyer. I hung multiple posters all around the school. I also added an announcement to the morning announcements to spread the word. And yeah, there's another picture of my flyer, and then one of the emails of me talking about the announcement, or me emailing Ms. Bedard about an announcement, and Mr. Nash. Here are some pictures of the event. So there's a good amount of people. Yeah. The winners and donation. I actually forgot to add a pic of the winning team and my Venmo, but I sent it to the American Cancer Society, and this was only 40. I had 40 in cash too that I sent to their P.O. box, but I did that a couple of days ago and I wasn't able to add it. Reflections on things that went well. I held a successful event. There was 5 teams. I learned a bunch of new skills along the way: formal emails, hosting an event, and donating. People had a lot of fun. It sounded like I had fun, and I hit most of the deadlines throughout the year. Reflections, things I could have done better. Definitely procrastination. I procrastinate sometimes. I followed similar structure to previous projects. I could have changed it up a bit more, I guess, yeah. And I could have gotten more teams to participate, including like the Clyde Brown or middle school. What I've learned from this project is time management, doing things earlier rather than later. Waiting till the last second, or not waiting till the last second, is always better. Asking for help when needed. Things like bring people together, and donating is important. Some advice for rising seniors. Make sure to turn in the assignments on time before the deadline, like with the essays and stuff. And make a senior project folder in your Google Drive. That was really helpful, just like, because at the end we'd have to keep pasting all our essays in this one assignment, so that definitely helps. And pick something you like and have fun with it. And thank you.